I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Buenos días a todos en casita, yo soy la profesora Paulina Ramírez de la asignatura de danza y conmigo van a estar trabajando en las pausas activas. En la pausa activa del día de hoy vamos a hacer un poquito de actividad física. Lo que vas a necesitar son 2 balones. Si no tienes 2 balones en casa, no te preocupes, puedes utilizar una pelota, un balón. También para este ejercicio vas a necesitar de una persona que te apoye. Te vas a acostar en el suelo. Procura que al levantar tus piernas estén inclinadas para que se pueda resbalar el balón. Seguidamente vas a lanzar el balón hacia la persona que te está apoyando y se repite la actividad. Eso ha sido todo por el día de hoy. Espero que te haya gustado. Esperamos tu video.
Hi dear students, how are you? I hope that you are great today. We're going to start with the vocabulary and then with the explanation about the topics of today. Okay, first practice and repeat after me, please. Friend. A friend is a closely regarded person. Pronouns. The pronouns are words that replace nouns. For example, I, me, she, we, they. The topic of today is about capitalization, okay, capital letter. Here you have the use of this or when you have to write the capital letter. First letter in a sentence, okay? Where is my bike? The first letter is in capital letter. Name of people, okay? For example, Jane or Peter or a proper name, okay? Names of places, Central Park, or names or countries or cities too. Titles, The Times or Itsy Bitsy Spider, for example, titles of a newspaper or a song or something like that. We use capital letter and first letter of direct quotes. For example, to be or not to be. I went, it is about you. The letter I in a sentence, I like apple. Okay, the subject pronouns I, all the time, you have to write all the time in capital letter. Titles of people like Dr. Jones, okay, or Sir. Days, month, and holidays like March or Monday, Tuesday, or for example, Christmas or something like that. We use capital letter for religious terms like good or for languages like Spanish, English, or Portuguese, French, or something like that. Okay, you have examples of when you have to write in capital letter. The activities are: write words using capital letter in your notebook, and then go to Educa Play.
I never made it,